If relying on a standard AI chatbot is like flying commercial economy, using Claude is like chartering your own private jet, prioritizing speed, precision, and a level of control that standard models often miss. By the end of this video, you are going to configure a fresh Claude account, migrate your historical data over from ChatGPT, and build a fully functional, interactive web app in under 6 minutes. To follow along, you only need 3 things: a web browser, an email address, and a phone number to verify your account. The dashboard might look intimidating at first glance, but navigating these specific features enables you to build custom software even if you don't know how to code. Step 1 is getting into the system. Head over to Claude AI and sign up. You can connect an existing Google account or type in your email, then enter your phone number to complete the verification. When the setup wizard asks what you plan to use Claude for, select Personal Use. It will then present you with 3 subscription options. Choose the free plan. Next, Claude will try to walk you through a series of interactive, getting-to-know-you prompts. Skip them. We are going to customize the AI on our own terms. Bypass the welcome screens entirely until you reach the main workspace. Click the New Chat button at the top left to open a clean interface. That free plan is all you need. It provides access to the necessary computing power to handle almost any beginner or intermediate task you throw at it, without costing $1. Now we need to tailor Claude to your specific workflow. Click your profile icon and open the Settings menu. Inside, you will find a section called Personal Preferences. This is where you establish permanent behavioral rules. You can type in instructions like, keep all explanations brief and to the point, or ask Claude to occasionally introduce advanced vocabulary words into its responses to help you learn. Next, we are going to import your past data. In that same Settings panel, click the Capabilities tab. This menu allows you to migrate your existing AI memory from a provider like ChatGPT directly into Claude. First, copy Claude's extraction prompt into your old ChatGPT account, which condenses your workflow memory into a single data packet. Paste that output back into Claude's Capabilities tab, click Add to Memory, and wait for the confirmation checkmark. You've just solved the biggest headache of switching software. Instead of spending weeks teaching a new AI how you like to work, Claude now understands your exact context from day one. A common mistake new users make is writing vague instructions and expecting highly detailed results. If you give an AI poor instructions, you will get a generic, unhelpful response. To fix this, you need to structure your requests using the AIM framework. This ensures you get actionable outputs every single time. A is for actor, assigning Claude a specific expert persona. I is for input, providing your exact background, experience, and data points. Finally, M is for mission, telling the AI exactly what final formatted goal you want produced. If you just type, "Help me prep for an interview," you get a generic checklist. But when you use the AIM framework to define the actor, input, and mission, Claude takes on the persona, asks targeted behavioral questions, and grades your responses in real time. An AI is only as useful as its instructions. By structuring your prompts this way, you take complete control over the final output quality. Now let's look at a feature called artifacts. This is a feature unique to Claude that takes your text prompts and turns them into visual, interactive mini-apps right inside your chat window. Let's build an interactive return on investment calculator. We write a detailed prompt outlining the specific inputs we want, like hours spent, videos created, and cost per video, and define the outputs, like estimated annual savings. When you hit Enter, Claude splits your screen. On the left, it writes the code. On the right, it instantly renders the live, functional application. This is a live dashboard. You can click the text boxes, drag the sliders, and watch the math recalculate. This bridges the gap between text generation and actual software creation. You simply describe the tool you need, and Claude builds it for you. You aren't limited to keeping these apps inside your own workspace. By clicking Publish, Claude generates a live URL for your new artifact. You can take that URL and send it to clients, friends, or coworkers. They can open the link and use your calculator on their own devices, even if they don't have a Claude account. In just a few minutes, you bypassed the basic chat limits, migrated your past data, learned to structure perfect prompts, and deployed software to the web, all on the free plan. Claude is a practical environment for building real solutions.